Hello and welcome, beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. I am Cody, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin regardless of your age, concern, or budget. And in today's video, I wanted to show you how to use my professional transformation treatment pads, which are remarkable. These are so amazing, guys. These are going to be your new best friend. Best to start off using once a week at first, regardless of your skin type or your kind of experience. And then you can ease into 2 nights and then up to 3 if necessary or as directed by your skincare professional. Also, best to use nothing else afterwards. Can you? Yeah, a moisturizer, hydration serum. But once you put this on your skin, at least let it soak in for 15 minutes. Work it in like I'm going to show you and then do nothing else. Go to bed, go to sleep, and you're going to wake up, girl, and your skin is going to be snatched. It's going to be plump. It's going to be hydrated. Compared to all of my other products, this is less active feeling. But I did not compromise on the results. I actually put in more ingredients in here just to give you more bang for your buck. You're going to clean your face. I used my Gentle Glow Cream Cleanser earlier. Make sure your face is fully clean. And then, like I said, once a week, just going to treat yourself for now, at night only. And you're going to open up the pad like this. And it's quite wet and it's quite large. So I put a lot of solution in here so you get your money's worth. Don't waste what's on the pad, okay? I'm going to press the pad into the skin first instead of wiping. Now, if you had like tinted moisturizer and sunscreen on, you could just wipe or a little bit of makeup, but it's best to take the pad and press it into the skin like this first, all over your face, so that you can allow the acid, which is mandelic acid and lactic acid and salicylic acid, to kind of soak into the skin so that it'll help to dissolve it and break it up a little bit more easily. And then you're gonna go in now and you're gonna wipe. Does that make sense? So press in first and then wipe. Now let's say you want to kind of spot treat, make sure you get your hairline, and then you can sit here and you can now go into your nose like this, and you can buff it so you can get the blackheads like this. Be careful, don't be too crazy with these now. Just ease into them, and then you can get right underneath your eye like this, and kind of help with the under eye wrinkles and the crow's feet a little bit. Make sure that you don't forget any areas. Make sure you get your ear behind your ear like this, and then use whatever's left on the neck area like this. If you are wanting to treat your neck and your chest, probably best to use a different pad for that. And then do nothing else. Just let that kind of work. If you need to rinse because it feels too active, feel free to do so anytime. It does say to rinse on the back of the bottle just so people stay safe, or if they're very sensitive, I say, rinse after 1 to 3 minutes depending on your sensitivity. Most of you, normal skin, more advanced hardcore, you do not need to rinse it off unless you feel like you need to. Now just know, the longer you keep it on, which is up to 10 minutes, it self-neutralizes anyway. The longer you keep it on, you're going to get the full effect. And then in the morning, rinse with cool water and then do your normal routine. But just be cautious with your normal routine. You're probably going to need way less. You're treating yourself with a treatment. This is a treatment. Know that everything you use afterwards, the following days, you may need less. You may not need as much. So just ease into everything else as well and be cautious. And make sure you do wear sunscreen with this product because it is an exfoliant and it makes you more sensitive to the sun. I love you guys. Thank you so much for allowing me to be here with you today. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to either ask them below or to reach out to my team and I at info@montarboskincare.com. And we all cannot wait to help you achieve your skincare goals much more quickly with these pads. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful day. Mwah. Remember to stay gorgeous.